Hi everybody! Welcome to May's Happy Hour Kids instructional video series, Celebrate the Good Time. Today's episode is to make the Big Mama. Moms, we love you. We know you're out there. You work hard. We appreciate everything you do. We're there for you. This drink is for you. This is your day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. Let's make the Big Mama. The very first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need a little plate. And you take your rose, raspberry, lemon sugar. Don't need much. Next we're gonna take our glass. I'm using a martini glass. You can use whatever kind of glass you would like. This is a martini though, just so you know. Next we're going to take strawberry that comes in your package. And we're going to make a little slit in it. This one has a little slit in it. And we're just going to take it. And we're just going to go all around the outer edge. So that's nice and wet. Then we're gonna roll it in the red. Forgot that plastic glasses do not rim as well as glass ones. Keep that in mind. Alright, there we go. You can actually just put our strawberry back on there. Next, we're going to take our shaker. If you do not have a shaker, don't fret. You can use anything that seals. Even the mason jars I gave you, they can seal, not a problem. You just need to figure out how to strain them. There's plenty of ways to do that. So yeah, I'm going to use this one so you can see what's going on. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add ice to about there. Next, we're going to add our alcohol. If we are not using alcohol, you can use water for a non-alcoholic version. I'm going to use vodka. Gin would also work very, very well. This syrup is actually one of my go-tos. It's something that I make for myself on a regular basis. I love rose syrup. It's so good. It's really good just with a spritz, like a sparkling water. It's really good, with tiny dash and a gin and tonic. I mean, this is the drink that I'm making for it, but I love the syrup and I encourage you guys to experiment. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Start with 2 ounces of vodka, or gin, or water, or whatever alcohol you want, really. But I think those two are the best. Next, we're going to take our syrup, and we're going to put in 2 ounces of that as well. Next, we're going to shake it, the fun part. So, pour it into the metal one, the bigger one. And that way you can use the top if you are using a Boston shaker, which is the 2-piece shaker. This is a method to use it. You have to tap it, not really hard, just like a light tap. Make sure that it's sealed. You do not want this to explode onto you. And you turn it and just go back and forth. So we're going to do that for about 7 seconds. Now we're going to unlock it. Put our hands on the side, that warms it up a little bit. Put our thumbs upwards and just push. pops right off. Clearly I'm not a flair bartender. We're gonna strain it right into our prepared glass. These glasses are a little bit big for a martini. And there you have it. Cheers. I love this one so much. It's so well balanced. It's just the rose and raspberry and the strawberry. It's just very lovely. Oh, it's so good. It's also really nice with like a hint of lemon juice. Like, oh, it's just very lovely. Cheers to mothers everywhere, guys. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out what I'm doing on Facebook. Check out what I'm doing on my website. You know, I've got new sangria jars. I already have quite a few orders for those. I have all my kits posted all the way until July. I'm going to be releasing things sooner so that people can pre-order. Yeah, check it out. Have a good night, guys. Gabby out.